Hey everyone, it's Steve Slynn with the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to our latest home for sale at 122 Robert Adams Drive here in beautiful Courtice, Ontario. As we enter, you're welcomed by the spacious foyer that leads you to your main floor living room. We also have an office over to the side and then a dining room just as we enter here. As you can see, the kitchen has a great space, great layout, tons of storage, tons of counters for prep work as well. We also have an eat-in section here with a walkout to your back deck and great sized backyard. Rounding out the main floor, we have this fantastic family room, inclusive of our gas fireplace and great views of out back. Let's head upstairs, shall we? Our second floor offers 4 great-sized bedrooms, 2 washrooms, including your ensuite that has 6 pieces and a massive walk-in closet. Downstairs, you're going to find 2 great-sized bedrooms, a 2-piece bathroom, and great space for entertaining. Not to mention these fantastic windows providing tons of natural light in the basement. Again, I'm Steve Slynn with the Dan Plowman team. Thanks again for joining us on our tour of 122 Robert Adams Drive here in Courtice. To book your private showing, call the number up above, or to keep in touch with all the greatest listings, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below.